Well, hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word. We are in episode, what are we on? Episode 9 today, where it's entitled, I Will Be With You. And this is taken today from Exodus chapter 3, verses 11 through 15. All right, so we can turn right there as we continue our journey through Exodus today. Whoa, how about that? Is thunder and lightning happening here? So anyway, I'm just a regular dude. So in the studio, there's going to be thunder and lightning happening and rain. All right, so verse 11, it says this, But Moses said to God, Who am I that I should go to Pharaoh and bring the Israelites out of Egypt? You notice this change of heart, okay? Moses before was a guy that was like, ambitious, and he was going to get the people out himself, rescue the people. But he's had this humbling experience where he has to flee. He's out in the land of Midian and hiding out there, and that's where his humility comes. And now he comes and he's like, God, I'm not worthy to be taking these people out of Egypt here. Who am I? All right, verse 12. And God said, I will be with you. Very important. That's the title today. I will be with you. That changes everything. And this will be the sign to you that it is I who have sent you. When you have brought the people out of Egypt, you will worship God on this mountain. Moses said to God, Suppose I go to the Israelites and say to them, The God of your fathers has sent me to you. And they ask me, What is his name? Then what shall I tell them? God said to Moses, I am who I am. This is who you are to say to the Israelites. I am has sent you to me. Okay. God also said to Moses, Say to the Israelites, The Lord, the God of your fathers, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob, has sent me to you. This is my name forever, and the name you shall call me from generation to generation. So we'll stop there. Okay. So this whole thing is God is pointing out to Moses. Moses comes, he's now humbled, okay? So he's needed that time to flee and come away where the Lord has worked on his life and humbled him. And now he's humbled, and God says, hey, you're the one that's I'm going to have lead the people out of Egypt. And he's like, no, who am I? I'm just a regular dude, okay? But God says this, he says, I will be with you. That changes everything, okay? So all of a sudden, Moses, just the humble guy, is changed into, you might say, super Moses. And you're going to see the amazing things that Moses does, okay? And it's not for Moses' ability. If you go back from this point, Moses didn't do all this stuff, okay? He was a failure. But you go on from this point forward, and you look at everything he did in his constant communion with God, his communication with God, and the miracles he did, and the leadership he had, and it was all because of God. And it's right here at this point where God says, I will be with you. That changes everything. So in your life, you're going to get into spots and you're like, I can't do this on my own. Of course you can't do it on your own. You need God's help, okay? And that will change everything. All right? Thank you for watching. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Exodus. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.